Welcome back to my channel, guys, and to my returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back. And if it's the first time you're stopping by, please subscribe before you go. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to make some jerk chicken. So let's get started. Here are the seasonings for my jerk marinade. I have scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, thyme, pimento seed, onion, garlic, and lime. And I'm going to put all those in my food processor and I'm going to blend. Depending on how spicy you need it, you can remove the seeds from the pepper, or in my case I just leave the seeds in, okay? But you can adjust the spice, okay? After our seasoning I've already blended, I'm going to add some dry seasoning and spice. Here I have complete seasoning. Dry oregano, that's optional. On the table I have black pepper, salt, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, allspice, cinnamon powder, brown sugar, and some cooking oil. And I'm going to add all those to the food processor. I'll put a full list in the description box below. I'm going to add some vinegar also, and we combine. I'm going to add a small amount of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and I'm going to cover again, pulse to combine, and then we set that aside. And here is my DIY jerk marinade sauce, my way. Now I'm going to move on and preparing my chicken now. My chicken, I already washed in vinegar and lime, and I'm just piercing it with my knife so the season can marinate to the bone. And this is optional, you can remove the skin of the chicken, but this day I leave mine on. Just be careful while doing this part, okay? Easy cleanup. I'm putting my chicken in a big plastic bag. Then I'm going to pour my marinade sauce over it. After which, I'm going to try to smoosh it together. Then I can place in my fridge so the marinade do its job. And I normally leave my chicken marinade for 2 days at least when I'm going to do jerk chicken. Giving my chicken a good massage so the seasoning can actually go inside, okay? Here we have started putting the chicken on the grill, and we're going to close the grill pan and allow them to steam or cook while catching color. Then we come back to them. Here we are back, and we are going to turn them now, and this is like 5-10 minutes after, and we're going to repeat this step about 3 times. And here is our jerk chicken, all done and ready to serve. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and please like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't, turn your notification bell on, and stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye.